Learn English to Gujarati possibility words, possibly too.
અશક્ય.
Welcome to Maybe Land. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati words for doubt, certainty, and possibility. And yes, this chapter is more stable than your weather app. Imagine you are standing at a bus stop, looking at the sky, your phone battery at 2%, and your confidence at about 11%. In this dramatic moment, you need words like possibly, presumably, probably, sure, uncertain, possible, impossible, and same. In Gujarati, one superstar for several maybe-like ideas is
કદાચ.
It can help you express possibly, presumably, and probably. When you know something for sure, you can use
ખાતરીપૂર્વક.
when your brain says, I do not know, that feeling is.
અનિશ્ચિત.
If something can happen, it is.
શક્ય.
If it cannot happen, it is.
અશક્ય.
And if two things match, they are.
samān.
Nice. You already sound smarter than a confused fortune teller. 3 maybes walk into a sentence. Let us meet the maybe family first. You will hear one Gujarati word doing a lot of useful work. Possibly in Gujarati is
કદાચ.
example, it will possibly rain later. In Gujarati, pachi.
કદાચ.
Varasada padase. Presumably can also be expressed with
કદાચ.
example, he is presumably at home. In Gujarati, te.
કદાચ.
Gari che. Probably also uses
કદાચ.
here. Example, we will probably arrive late. In Gujarati, aim.
કદાચ.
Moda pahonsism. So if you forget whether the English word was possibly, presumably, or probably, do not panic dramatically onto a sofa. For this lesson, remember
કદાચ.
sure and not sure. Now we move from fog to confidence. Or at least to slightly less fog. Sure in Gujarati is
ખાતરીપૂર્વક.
if someone asks, are you sure? You can answer, yes.
ખાતરીપૂર્વક.
Uncertain in Gujarati is
અનિશ્ચિત.
example, the future seems uncertain. In Gujarati, bhavasya.
અનિશ્ચિત.
Lage che. Think of the contrast like this. Your friend says, I studied. You ask, are you sure? If your friend says
ખાતરીપૂર્વક.
confidence. If your friend says
અનિશ્ચિત.
that exam is about to become a thriller. Possible, impossible, and other life surprises. These two words are easy to pair, and your memory will thank you for the symmetry. Possible in Gujarati is
શક્ય.
example, it is possible to finish today. In Gujarati, ahe puram karavam.
શક્ય.
Che. Impossible in Gujarati is
અશક્ય.
example, this task is impossible. In Gujarati, a comma.
અશક્ય.
Che. Notice the neat contrast.
શક્ય.
Is possible and
અશક્ય.
is impossible. It is like your to-do list before coffee and after coffee. The strange case of same. One word in your list behaves like the quiet cousin at the family party. Still useful, still invited. Same in Gujarati is
samān.
example, these two shirts are the same. In Gujarati, ab sarta.
samān.
Che. Another example, the answer is the same. In Gujarati, javaba.
samān.
Che. So if two things match, use
samān.
If your socks do not match, please do not blame the language lesson. Mini dialogue at the bus stop. Now you will hear the words inside a playful little scene. Listen for repetition. A. Will the bus come soon? B.
કદાચ.
A. So you are not sure? B. Correct. I am.
અનિશ્ચિત.
A. Is it possible that we walk instead? B. Yes, it is.
શક્ય.
A. Is it impossible if I am wearing fancy shoes? B. Not impossible, but emotionally complicated. Still, not.
अशक्य.
A. Are you sure this is the right road? B.
खातरीपूर्वक.
A. Good. Also, why are we wearing the same jackets? B. Because they are.
समान.
And apparently we have the same shopping instincts. Quick drill, no drama. Your turn. I say the English word, and you imagine or say the Gujarati word after the pause. Possibly.
कदाच.
Presumably.
कदाच.
Probably.
कदाच.
Sure.
खातरीपूर्वक.
Uncertain.
अनिश्चित.
Possible.
शक्य.
Impossible.
अशक्य.
Same.
समान.
Tiny quiz for brave geniuses. Let us see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure. Well, very little pressure. What is the Gujarati word for possible?
शक्य.
What is the Gujarati word for impossible?
अशक्य.
What word here can mean possibly, presumably, and probably?
कदाच.
What is the Gujarati word for sure?
खातरीपूर्वक.
What is the Gujarati word for uncertain?
अनिश्चित.
What is the Gujarati word for same?
समान.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. Your vocabulary is now stronger, sharper, and at least 43% more dramatic in a good way. Today you learned possibly, presumably, and probably as.
कदाच.
Sure as.
खातरीपूर्वक.
Uncertain as.
अनिश्चित.
Possible as.
शक्य.
Impossible as.
अशक्य.
And same as.
समान.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in tiny daily sentences, and come back tomorrow so these Gujarati words stop being strangers and start becoming friends.